me and my friend, we be go cutting, and I'll be going by myself, and he's basically going with. Okay, so I'm gonna go.
Do you smell that? It smells like a fire.
Oh shoot! I just had
Okay, go. Go. Okay, so I don't know what's going on. She said I couldn't come. Oh my god. She fell. Look. Are you okay? I don't know. Oh my gosh, someone keeps texting us. She got up. You see that? Oh. Where'd she go? Which way? I don't know. There she is. Stop texting us. Look at this.
we wouldn't want to die, would you?
Oh my god, I'm gonna die.